I'm at Dilmah Conservation Organic Farm. Today I'm going to make Ambarella juice. I'm going to pick some Ambarella. It's rich in vitamin C. It's good for your skin. My main ingredient is Ambarella juice, sugar, salt and pepper ice cubes. Sugar, 3 spoons. Now we are going to put some salt and crushed pepper for taste, and crushed ice. Now we are going to add some water. And we're going to blend all together. I'm going to strain this Ambarella juice. We need to pass this one gently. This is a final Ambarella juice. I'm going to pour it in a glass. This is my final Ambarella juice.